So as you can see on screen that the comparison of common base, common emitter and common collector configuration is shown over there. This comparison is along with the circuit diagram also. So the first point is the circuit diagram. So let me zoom into it. So as you can see that the circuit diagram, the base is common in first circuit, in second circuit emitter is common, and in third circuit the collector is common. Okay, so input resistance for common base configuration, it is very low. For common emitter it is moderate, you can say, not low, moderate. Then common collector configuration, it is very high, input resistance is very high. Then the output resistance RO, for common base it is very high, for common emitter it is high, and or you can say it is again still it is moderate, not very high, it can be moderate. For common collector configuration it is low up to 50 ohm, very low. So input current is common base IE, for common emitter IE again IB, sorry, and for common collector again IB. Then output current for common base it is IC, common emitter it is again IC, and for common collector it is IE. And then the input voltage applied for the circuit is between emitter and base for common base. For common emitter, base and emitter, and for common collector it is base and collector. Output voltage taken between which two terminals for common base? It is for collector and base. For emitter it is collector and emitter, and for common collector it is emitter and collector. And current amplification factor, as I am telling you again and again, that current amplification factor for common base is alpha. Always remember, for common base it is alpha, that is IC upon I. Current gain म्हणजे काय? Output current upon input current. Okay, so for common base it is alpha, so it is IC upon I. Then for beta it is IC upon IB, and for common collector it is gamma, that is IE upon IB. Then current gain for common base is less than 1. For emitter it is very high, and for collector also it is high. Voltage gain for common base it is medium, for common emitter it is again medium, and for common collector it is less than unity, means less than 1. So this is the circuit, and as well as the comparison between the three types of configuration. So in this unit we have studied right from the basic of transistor, what is transistor, how transistor is manufactured, how transistor is configured, again how the transistor operated. Right from the symbol to the construction we have seen. Symbol, two symbols are there, NPN and PNP. NPN is the transistor where the N material, in that N material the P type of material is embedded, and PNP means the P type material is taken, in that N type of material is sandwiched. So NPN, PNP, two types of transistors are there. So symbol we have again seen, and then again the next thing we studied, operation of NPN transistor. Electrons are injected from the N material, they are collected in the collector, and some of electrons are absorbed by the base. So base current is always very small. We have again seen the three configurations of the transistor when we are connecting in two port network, that is common base, common emitter, common collector. Then we have seen the biasing configuration, how to bias transistor in cutoff region, active region, saturation region, and inverse active region, like this. Then we have seen the circuit detail, input output characteristic. In exam you have to remember the input output characteristic. Input output characteristic, always remember that input characteristic is for input terminal, output characteristic is for output terminal. Whatever voltages and current you have to write there, you have to write it according to the common configuration. जर बेस कॉमन असेल तर इनपुट एमिटर, आउटपुट कलेक्टर. एमिटर जर कॉमन असेल तर बेस इनपुट, कलेक्टर आउटपुट. जर कलेक्टर कॉमन कॉन्फिगरेशन असेल तर बेस इनपुट, एमिटर आउटपुट. अशा पद्धतीने तुम्हाला लक्षात ठेवायचे. त्याच्यानुसार इनपुट आउटपुट व्होल्टेजेस आणि करंट हे चेंज होतील, आणि त्यानुसार तुम्हाला अल्फा, बीटा आणि गॅमा लक्षात ठेवायचं आहे. I already share you the notes regarding the all these topics, as well as the relation between alpha and beta. relation between alpha and beta is very important point as per the exams perspective, because the derivation is there which is related to the alpha and beta. So I already share you in the notes segment, as well as I uploaded in the my personal website blog. Again, all the notes that I've shared, same notes will be uploaded to your MVP ESDS software also. So I hope you have downloaded all of you have downloaded the app, so that you can study over there also. Same notes will be provided on my website also, that is gadenarsm.wordpress.com. So you can go through that notes also. So most of the points of unit number 3 have been covered. We can say that unit 3 is completed now, and we are going to start the electrical section also. But before that, if any doubt is there regarding the electronic section, right from the unit number 1, that is resistor, capacitor and inductor, as well as the next thing, that is waveforms, ICs, that is covered in unit number 1. If any doubt is there, you can ask freely. Again, the second unit, which was the vast unit, what is diode, how it is constructed, how it is biased, forward bias, reverse bias, then Zener diode we have seen, then we have seen the LED. So all the diodes we have seen its application, and then application as a rectifier, power supply block diagram, what is filter, what is rectifier, types of rectifier, how the circuit works. We have seen total 15 circuits over there. 3 rectifiers, that is half wave rectifier, full wave center type, full wave bridge rectifier, and then again we have studied the 12 circuits of filters regarding the half wave full wave rectifier. म्हणजे जर शंट कॅपॅसिटर फिल्टर घेतलं तर त्याचे 3 सर्किट, हाफ वेव्ह शंट कॅपॅसिटर, फुल वेव्ह सेंटर टॅप शंट कॅपॅसिटर आणि फुल वेव्ह ब्रिज शंट कॅपॅसिटर. तर एका कॅपॅसिटरसाठी 3 सर्किट्स, तसे 4 कॅपॅसिटरसाठी 12 सर्किट, आणि स्टार्टिंगचे तुमचे हाफ वेव्ह, सेंटर टॅप आणि ब्रिज रेक्टिफायर असे 3, असे टोटल 15 सर्किट्स त्यातले तुम्हाला लक्षात ठेवायचे. इवन एक सिंगल ऍप्लिकेशन जरी लक्षात राहिलं, तुम्हाला एक सर्किट लक्षात राहिलं, वर्किंग लक्षात राहिलं, तरी पण सगळे सर्किट्स तुमचे इझिली लक्षात राहतील आणि त्याचे वेवफॉर्म्स पण तुम्हाला ड्रॉ करता येतील. सो this was the basic thing regarding the unit 1, 2, 3. That was actually for electronics, but in syllabus it is unit number 4, 5 and 6. So regarding that, any doubt you can ask in the chat box. So please go ahead and ask me in the chat box. Ask in the chat box. Is there any doubt? We can say that our unit number 3 is over. All the notes have been already shared to you. So any doubt you can ask again and again. Unit test was given with proper knowledge. So most of you got 20 out of 20. So if no doubt in unit number 3, then we can say that unit number 3 is over.